हाँ, तो मैं खाना के बारे में कह रही थी। फन के बारे में कह रही थी। तो हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करते थे साथ में सब, एंड द क्रेजीस्ट वाज बिकॉज दे वर सो ऑब्सेस्ड ऑन मी लूजिंग वेट। जब मैं खाना खाती थी, मैं they saw me looking at my plate कि how much is Parijad eating, and मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खाती हूँ, तो दोनों मुझे डुक्कर बुलाते थे, like using डुक्कर, you can't eat so much. I'm like, dude, I'm the heroine of your film, you can't call me डुक्कर. So then we used to say, अच्छा, to keep her izzat alive and to kind of, you know, keep her self-respect going, we call her Dukes. So I was like, Dukes, come here, Dukes, please come here, Dukes, stop eating, man, Dukes. So it was like, it was crazy, it was like really, really sweet. It was, I felt really badly doing the set. Yes, तो हाँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खाती हूँ, तो जब लंच ब्रेक या एनी डिनर का वक्त हुआ करता था, सब पेरिजाद ज़ोराबिन के प्लेट में देखते थे, because they were all kind of controlling my dad, like Dukkar, they used to call me Dukkar, like a pig, Dukkar, you can't eat so much, Dukes, I'm like, dude, I'm the head of your film. Treat me with respect, okay? You can't call me Dukkar of all people. So they speak Dukes, okay, Dukes, and I love Dukes. By the end of it, I love the word. I thought it was so cute. So it was lots of love, yeah. It was lots of good fun, and of course, जब हम लोग बस में जाते थे, सब बस में जाते थे, and एक rule था कि 7 o'clock if you're leaving, you have to be in the bus if it's at 7 o'clock. तो अगर आप even 1 minute 7 or 1 पे पहुँचते हो, the bus is gone. So whether the heroine of the film or the director or the producer, the bus will leave. Bunty Walia has missed the bus, Apurva Lakhia has missed the bus, and Perizad Zarabin has missed the bus once, and ek baar I was actually thrown out of the bus because it was very hard schedule, man. I was sitting there in the bus and I realized कि मेरे contact lenses मेरी आँखों में नहीं थे, and we were like 15 minutes already into location, and I'm like, and Apurva was sitting right and the other seat right, and I'm like, okay, मैं उन्हें नहीं बता सकती because his fuse will go blow up entirely. तो मैं आगे जाके I'm going to be 80. Sean, I was wondering, तो Apu was sitting right there, तो मैंने आराम से like quietly मैं आगे गई और AD को मैंने पूछा कि Sean, is there anyone who's coming from the hotel later on? And Apu saw me walking here and he says, what's the problem? And I'm like, Apu, I kind of forgot my contact lenses at the hotel. He was so angry. He looks at me and says, stop the bus guys. And I'm looking at him like a little school, like, and he says, get off, catch a cab, go back, get your contact lenses and come to location. I felt like वो छोटे जो स्कूल के बच्चे होते हैं ना, जिसे पनिश करता है प्रिंसिपल, I felt like a little kid, like again टिक टिक टिक, और सब बस में मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हैं, और मैं बस से निकल गई और टैक्सी लेकर ड्राइव टू द लोकेशन अगेन. मैं इतना घबरा रही थी, एंड that was my most difficult scene with Mr. Bachchan, and I was like, oh my god, पहले तो उसका टेंशन है और उसके बाद I've done all this, Apu will kill me. तो मैं सेट पे गई पीछे के डोर पे, directly I went to my room and I just sat there like a good girl. But before the scene, AD आके मुझे बोल रहा कि Mr. Bachchan is calling you downstairs. I'm like, okay. तो 2 घंटे मैं अकेला मेरे रूम में बैठ रही थी, किसी के साथ बात नहीं कर रही थी, like child punish. Then I went down, and I guess Apu must have told Mr. Bachchan what happened, and this is Apu's way of kind of easing the tension out. So Mr. Bachchan saying, what's up babe, what's happening? And then I told him what I did. तो बस वो AD आके मुझे बोला कि Faizad, Mr. Bachchan's calling you, and of course मैं वहाँ पे पहुँची नीचे, and then Mr. Bachchan obviously knew the whole story. So he was cracking a few jokes, कि मुझे जो tension था मेरे अंदर kind of goes away, and I went on and did a scene that one take, one shot, fantastic, and of course Apu then comes and gives me this big hug and says you're a rock star, and अच्छा काम किया है. So I think I kind of made up for a little boo-boo by doing a really, really good scene. It was a strange teacher kind of student equation that we shared. It was crazy.
Okay. Baby Rucha. Rucha.
Yeah.
छोटी बच्ची जो आप
जी जी. Rucha जो she's my little daughter Inika Jha. She's absolutely the star of the film. She's a diva. She's so good. इतने सारे नाटक थे उसके. She was like a little brat, and हमारा जो bonding था was more of like an elder sister and a younger sister, and it was so cool. I've never had a kid sister. So she used to copy me. उसकी माँ जो सुलक्षणा है, कहा कहती थी कि माय गॉड परिजा, शी इज टॉकिंग लाइक यू. उसकी माँ जो है कहा करती थी कि माय गॉड परिजा, वो आपकी तरह बात कर रही है. यू नो शी इज एक्चुअली टॉकिंग लाइक यू. सो आई कीप सेइंग, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, एंड आई कीप डूइंग लाइक. So little Rucha would be like, you know what I mean? You know, it is so cute. Or whatever I did, Rucha wanted to do. तो अगर परिजा स्विमिंग करने वाली है, अच्छा परिजा, what are we going to the pool? And then Rucha also come to the pool, you know. And it was Bunty and Appu versus Petzal and Rucha. You know what I'm saying? These are the two gangs. It was very very cute and इतनी talented लड़की है. You see her performance in the film. It is so spot on. और कुछ मेहनत, कुछ no effort has to be put in. It just comes to her so naturally. She's a born star. And इतना नखरा तोबा, मैं फिल्म के हीरो हूँ. I should be the one saying my rollers, my makeup. No.